The further advancement of this facilitation to pull up to stand from sitting position can be used by facilitating the surface to move, and the child will take the you can say the part in the activity by themselves. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we will not facilitate the child, rather we will facilitate or we will move the surface, and this is the way the child, whatever has learned the previous activities, the 3 steps of coming forward, bringing the trunk forward, shifting the weight over the feet and moving the hips from the surface in order to stand up. Okay, so we will now see that how we can further advance this process of facilitation. Okay, so this is something. Could you please stand up for me, please, for a while, please? Yes. So see, this is something which is more cubical and which is easy to move. Okay, so we will use this thing to facilitate all the parts of this movement, and we will try not to touch or not to move child passively. Okay, so sit down again. So what I have done here, I have one box, my child is here. This child has good sitting control right now, but I will be very careful while I am dealing with them. And there is one bed in front of us which is at the shoulder level, because we will end up into stoop standing. Okay, so now let's start with this. So the first thing is, we will ask child to bring both arms forward on the bed. Okay, bring both arms forward on the bed, and here we have something which, for the reference, he needs to touch forward. Okay, okay, again come back here. Just let the child be here. Okay, so the child is very secure, safe, they are holding here. And what is very important over here, that we have used some surface for support which the child cannot hold, because holding like this can boost up or facilitate the spasticity more. The whole body goes here. Okay, so we want the open arms, open palms, and moving forward without taking weight more on arms, rather taking weight on legs and feet. Okay, so the first thing is, we need to bring the legs into position. Okay, we will ask child to bring the one leg forward here. Okay, and they should be in external rotation and abduction. Okay, child has placed his arms over here and they are sitting over here. Okay, so the first thing is, I will just a little bit move this one, and before moving it, I will let child know, be careful, I am moving. Okay, so I will keep my hand here so that they are more secure, and I will start moving this thing over. Okay, I think you can see it clearly, that how I am moving the surface now, the supporting surface now, the object which is used for sitting. So I am just moving this part, and the child is more steady, and they are just bringing the trunk forward to take some weight over the feet. Okay, now I will ask child to go forward and touch this basket. Okay, so move forward. When the child will start moving, it will start moving itself. Okay, this cushion, move forward, trunk forward, go forward, and see, this cushion is moving itself. Okay, if your child, you feel like not secure, you can hold your child here so that they feel more secure. Okay, come back now, stop here, then move again forward. Try to touch, come back, one more time, go forward and try to touch, and I am moving this forward. Okay, now I will hold it here and I will try to, okay, now I will let her to go up from here. Okay, very good. Again, I am using this arm under the tummy to let her know that you need to come backwards here. Okay, one more time we will try. Okay, so go forward, stop here please. Okay, I will not let her, okay, do not move forward now, just here, okay, okay now, okay, go move forward now, touch this basket, hold here, I will hold my cushion here, okay, and now I will help her to come, okay, forward, 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 okay. So child is standing over here, okay. Come back. Now I will hold here not to get dropped or crush landing over the cushion, okay. You can ask your child not to move arms away from the bed, okay. So the arms are always supported over the bed, okay. One more time, go forward, touch this basket for me please. See, okay. Now I will again hold her here and I will, okay, now I will just little bit facilitate and the child will keep going here, okay. Come back, hold here, so not to prevent the crash landing, okay, here, one more time, okay. So see carefully, go forward, please touch this basket for me, go forward, okay, stop here please, stop here please, okay. I can see the legs are very much stable, okay. And now I will hold this cushion and I will little bit ask her, see the way I am holding the cushion, it is not going down, okay. And here, the child can keep standing over here and from here we can do erect standing later on. But this is the first thing we need to learn, okay. So this is the further advancement of pull up to stand from sitting position by using the dynamics sitting control, okay. Thank you so much.